Okay, we're in the box. Back up. Code. Okay, the bullet. The mess.
The slip and slide.
Look at this. Oh yeah, watch it. This thing is like a total HD thing. It's like this phone camera is like that. Look at the rain on the windows. We are getting fucking pummeled.
Like Burning Man, man.
Pummeled. I mean, it might be helicopter ride time out of this thing. It's like wow. Wow. Okay, that's all I gotta say. This is what the fuck. Look at these retards out here. Look at that retard. Look at these retards here. What the fuck are these guys doing? What the fuck? They got a fucking, oh my god, they got a playa lotion slip and slide going.
I don't think the lotion is necessary.
Alright, push.
You didn't even get that on video.
What? It's open. It's open.
The black dude's going down if I can't make it in. He's going down. Close the door.
If they hurt themselves, dude, nobody's coming to help them.
Get the fuck in here. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, okay, I've been filming all this. I tell you. What is your opinion on this situation? How many poor unfortunate creatures had to die for you to wear that?
Well, about 3, really.
All right, back away. Back away. You know, it's a disco effect. We're doing drugs at Burning Man. Drugs at Burning Man. Drugs at Burning Man. Drugs at Burning Man. Okay, bye.